Hello once again. In this video, we're going to talk about changing mixed numbers back to improper fractions, and there's a couple times that this becomes helpful as you guys move forward and you start doing subtraction with mixed numbers. That's one of those times where you are going to want to sometimes change a mixed number to an improper fraction just to make your subtraction a little bit easier, and we'll talk about that moving forward in some other videos. So let's say I have a mixed number like 3 2/3, and I want to change 3 2/3 to an improper fraction. I just want to represent it as an improper fraction because I can. So we can do this in a couple of steps, and I know some of you guys have already done this. We did this in our math notebooks, but this is just a quick review. So step one, okay, we are going to multiply the denominator times the whole number. Okay, multiply the denominator times the whole number. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the denominator times the whole number. Okay, so we're going to do 3 times 3, and that is going to equal 9. Okay, so that was step one. We take the denominator, we multiply the whole number. Then for step two, we add the product of 3 times 3 okay, so add that product, which is this, the 9, to the numerator. Okay, so in this case, we are going to do 9 plus the numerator. So 9 plus 2 to get 11. Then for step 3, okay, step 3, we place that sum, which is 11, okay, which is, we'll make that yellow, which is 11, over the denominator as a fraction. Okay, so what that means is our new fraction, our improper fraction, is going to be 11 over 3, okay, or 11/3. Okay, now to do this, I could show you a different way to do that as well, and that's going to look like this. So if I have, let's do a different fraction. Let's do 5 7/8. Okay, so to go through that same process, I take the denominator and I multiply the whole number. Okay, so I'm going to multiply that. So 8 times 5, and then I get 40, and then I do 40 plus 7 to get 47, and I put that over the existing denominator to get 47/8. Okay, and that's as easy as it is. Okay, it's not a super complicated process, but there are times, like I said, when you guys start subtracting mixed numbers, that this little process right here is going to be a lifesaver. It's gonna save you some time and some effort. So keep that in mind moving forward into our next lesson.